Today, we live in a world full of screens. Short video, notification, and instant content surround us every day. Everything is fast, visually, and ready-made. But here is an important question. What will happen to our imagination and emotional depth when everything is shown to us instantly? In Indonesia, this problem is very real. According to OECD PISA Program for International Student Assessment, Indonesia reading literacy level is still below the global average. This is not because people are not smart, but because reading is no longer a daily habit. Gadgets dominate our time and books slowly disappear. And this is why reading books looks like a simple has become more powerful, even radical act in this modern life. Reading is not a passive activity. When we read, the brain works active and deeply. The language area of the brain process word and meaning. The visual association cortex created mental image even though we do not see the real picture. The hippocampus connects the story with the memory and personal experience. At the same time, the default mode network, a network related to imagination, reflection, and social understanding, become active. Research in neuroscience show that reading forces the brain to create meaning from within, instead of reaching ready-made images like in the social media. This is internal process is what we call inner imagination. Reading make the brain sharper. Reading books train the brain to think deeply and stay focused. Unlike short video, reading requires sustainable attention. The brain must connect words and build meaning and follow the idea over times. Study published in PNAS and reported by Science Daily found that two distinct brain networks are activated while reading sentence. This network work together in great word meaning and create higher level understanding. This show that readings engage multiple brain area at the same time and requires active cognitive effort. Because of this process, reading strengthens concentration, comprehension, and deep thinking, not just information intake. Reading builds emotional intelligence. Reading improves emotional quality and empathy. When we read story, we step into other people's minds. We learn to understand emotion, intention, and perspective different from our own. In 2013, psychology David Kidd and Emmanuel Castano conducted a series of experiments published in Science. Participants were randomly assigned to read different types of text, af- and after reading, they were tested by using standard empathy measure. Those who read literacy fiction consistently showed a better ability to understand other people's emotion. This suggests that reading complex story active trains emotional intelligence. This mean this means reading has helped us to become not just smarter but also emotional aware and social sensitive. So, what is the most effective solution to literacy in modern society? The answer is simple and supported by research. Daily build a daily habit for pleasure. 5 until 15 minutes And so, what is the most effective solution in literacy problem to literacy problem in modern society? The answer is simple. Build a daily reading habit for pleasure, even just 5 until 15 minutes a day. According to UNESCO, reading for enjoyment has a stronger impact on literacy development than forced reading or exam-based reading. This approach has been successfully applied in countries like Finland and Canada. We can start at home, short daily reading time at school without pressure, in community through library and reading corner. Even digital by choosing long form reading instead of endless scrolling. The key is consistently, choice and enjoyment. In a world that train us to scroll fast, reading train us to think slow, deep and human. Books sharpen our mind, grow our imagination and strengthen our emotional intelligence. They help us regain control of our attention and even our dopamine. So, let's start small. One page, one story, 1 minute a day. Because a simple reading habit can quite change how we think, feel, and live. Thank you.